La puede pasar para que la vean. You can pass it around to see it. At this time, they don't smell like coffee yet. They look like peanuts, like rice without cooking. Okay.
My upper belly, my lower belly. This is my lower belly.
Oh, right at the middle. At the middle.
Like that?
Yes. Okay. Let's see. We have a problem. This is an extra large. Bienvenido. What do we do? What is that?
Palito. The stick. Yeah. Palito. Palito. Stick.
Stick.
Stick. Sticknology.
Technology?
Okay, William. Okay, 1, 2. Can you breathe? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, tighter. 3, 4. Can you breathe? Okay, go. Okay, let it go. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, there you go. Now, we pick coffee during summer. You need to protect your neck, ears, and nose. That's what you need the official outfit. You will forget this tour. Excuse me. And the official hat, the chonete hat.
Can I keep it?
We have another tour at 11 again. Our technology. Now, picture.
Picture, take a picture. I have video.
Oh. Hold that pose. I'm sorry, I didn't know we were taking a picture. Hold the pose.
You see a lot of enthusiasm. A good picker, a really good picker, not us, can make minimum per day 20 baskets. 20 baskets, $3, $60 a day. And the harvest season is 4 months. You can make, why not kind of money, but sweating like that. Okay, William, how many dollars per basket? $3, okay, $3. $1. $2. $3.
Oh, wait.
Wait,
For taxes.
the taxes.
Taxes.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. It's not very good.
Excuse me. Industrial ovens. We cannot go in because it's a food factory. We have a lot of regulations, and the Oompa Loompas hate people. Be careful. You see the Oompa Loompa over there? It looks very small, but right there we roast 100 tons of coffee per month. That's a lot of coffee, but we only roast per order online. You can see coffee that is already roasted, like all of that. Coffee that is already sold. We buy coffee like this already dried. We peel them, we roast them. We preheat the oven. Roasting coffee is very artisanal. You need a person checking the entire process. Question for you. Have you ever made a cake in the oven? How do you know when it's ready? If it is dried inside. What else? What? The color is different. What else is different? The size is different. What? The consistency is different. What else? Huh?
The smell.
The smell is different. Same with coffee. You preheat the oven. We open here. And they are moving like a tumble dryer inside here. You take a sample and you're going to wait. You're going to wait for the color, for the size, for the aroma, for the texture you like or you need. When you get them, that's it. You open here. And coffee goes to the cooling chamber where we inject air from the bottom. Why? To stop the roasting process. So that's it. Preguntas? Questions? I'm going to prepare coffee. I'm going to use this method. I'm going to prepare 4 cups. So, 1,
2, 3, 4.
and a little extra. Costa Rican style. Now the water, really hot water, never boiling. If you use boiling water, you burn your coffee. If you burn your coffee, that's not coffee anymore. So be careful. Now we're going to watch 2 videos. We're going to recap information about the coffee process, and then we're going to watch a video about the roasting facility. Bienvenido. ¿Tiene los 2 videos? You have the 2 videos? Okay. Let's watch it. Vamos a verlos entonces. Gracias.